With respect to our Dean, Dr. Jerry Joy Canyon, to our esteemed guest of honor and speaker, whom I am going to introduce in a little while, sir. To the program heads, faculty, proud parents, criminology students, achievers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Our guest of honor and speaker is a simple man who worked his way from humble beginnings to the top post of the Philippine National Police. He is a true-blooded Tarlaqueño who was born and raised in Gerona, Tarlac. His skill as a combat officer was honed in his 30 years of maneuver and tactical units of the Philippine Constabulary Ranger Battalion in the provinces of Maguindanao, Lanao, and Cotabato from 1980 to 1993. He described his 13 years as the most unforgettable in his 36 years of uniform service, where from second lieutenant to major, he developed the ability to make good judgment and quick decisions under pressure. After his military and police stint in Central Mindanao and Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, he moved to Camp Crame, thus starting his career as a staff officer. He prepared himself academically and completed his career and specialized courses in country at the top of his class. Likewise, he finished with distinction the following foreign trainings: Tactical Intelligence Force, Arizona, USA in 1986, International Defense Management Force, Monterey, California in 1994, Asian Region Law Enforcement Management Program, Hanoi, Vietnam in 2005, Interpol, Lyon, France in 2009, Country Focus Course for Police Administration, Japan in 2010, Crisis Management and Anti-Terrorism Program, Washington, D.C., USA in 2010, Multicultural Policy, University of East London, 19